You can expect a lot from the 2008 Lexus RX 350. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, automatic temperature control, a power rear cargo door, skid plates, and much more. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.